Hey, this is Jamie with birdandbloke.com. So, I'm assuming you're planning a wedding if you're here perhaps. Well, if you are, you definitely came to the right place. We're going to walk you through the how-to steps on making your own escort cards. And as you probably already know, your escort cards are the cards that are placed in the entranceway leading into the reception area where your guests will be sitting. And these cards will basically have names on them along with the table number so they know where they're going to sit. I'll give you a little idea here real quick of what they look like, and we found this idea in Martha Stewart Weddings magazine and thought it might be fun to share with you guys. So they're pretty easy, pretty quick, and I always recommend if you have an extra hand or if you have some friends that want to get together over some wine and hors d'oeuvres, this is always a great little project. Okay, keep in mind, if you don't want to walk through the tutorial, no big deal. We'll have all of the instructions listed on howtostudio.com, so you can find all the instructions there. Okay, shall we begin? Let's get started.
From here on in, you're on your own. Have fun, and good luck.